Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing reading for the zodiac sign of Taurus. Before I start my reading, I want to remind you that these are general readings. They may not resonate for all of you, so just take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'm extremely thankful to all those who have subscribed to my channel, and those who haven't, please subscribe, share, like and comment. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Symbols Tarot. I'm open for personal readings. You can contact me through my email. I also accept donations. If you want to support this channel, you can donate. My PayPal is in the description box below. Let's start with our reading. Messages for Taurus. Guidance for the zodiac sign of Taurus. Let's see what we have for you, Taurus. Wheel of Fortune. Ace of Cups. Queen of Wands. Eight of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, the Sun, Leo energy, Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the Hierophant, Taurus energy. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. Okay, Taurus, what I can see from your cards is that your life will take a positive turn. Okay, luck will be on your side. Okay, you will have new relationship. You will have new beginnings in love and relationships coming up for some of you. Okay, new soulmate will enter your life. New love will enter your life. Okay, and your life will be filled with true love. Okay, and luck will be on your side. Your life will take a positive turn. I can see that your soulmate will keep you like a Queen of Wands, okay? In the energy of Queen of Wands, maybe you're dealing with any Aries, any Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so I can see that your soulmate will keep you like a queen. They think that you are their queen. They like you because you are a responsible person. You're beautiful, you're confident, you're charismatic, and you take charge. You take charge. You are in charge. You are a responsible person. And these are the traits that they love about you. These are the traits that they like about you. Okay, Taurus? I can see that your life will be filled with love. You'll get all the love, time, attention, warmth that you always wished for and that you deserve and that you desire. I can also see that you want to be self-employed. You don't want to work for any other organization or some other person. You want to be self-employed. You want to be your own boss. And that's why, and you have all the skills and expertise that you need for whatever you want to do in life, whatever, maybe a business, maybe something, anything that you want to do in your life. You want to be self-employed. You are a very skillful person. You are a highly skillful person. And you are focusing on every single detail. Some of you are also planning to enhance your qualification for better life and for better career opportunities. I can also see that you have enemies in your life. With this 10 of Swords energy, I can see that you're surrounded by an enemy. Okay, someone wants to hurt you, someone wants to backstab you, someone wants to harm you. So be extra careful, extra vigilant. It's a warning. Okay, someone wants to give you a lot of pain, anxiety, stress. Okay, or maybe you went through some kind of extreme anxiety, stress, pain in the near past or in the past, something like that. Okay, you went through it. That's what I can see. Something happened or something, or maybe someone has these intentions to backstab you, something like that. Okay, so you have to be extra careful, extra vigilant, because I can see that someone wants to hurt you. Maybe someone envies you, something like that. Okay, but I can see that someone really wants to hurt you. I can also see with the Sun card. Sun card is a card of success, positivity, vitality, and enlightenment. I can see that you are enjoying your freedom, your independence. Something very good is entering your life. Some very good news is coming for you. Luck will be on your side. That's what I can see. The Sun card is a very lucky card to have. It's a very positive card to have. Some of you might get pregnant, and maybe you have a good news of a child, especially a son. Okay, so life will be filled with positivity, vitality, enlightenment, success. Okay, so you will be living a successful life. You have all the skills and expertise that whatever you want to do in life, but and you have to follow your dreams. You have to follow your dreams, and you will be very very successful in your dreams. But make sure during the process you will not find someone who will backstab you, okay? Because you will find many competitors, rivals, opponents during this whole process. And this person, your competitors can hurt you, okay? They can harm you, okay? Do not trust anybody blindly. Don't trust anyone blindly with whatever business you want to start, with whatever you want to do in life, okay? Don't trust others blindly. This is a, this is a warning. And if you'll not do that, you will be very very successful in life, because the sun is a very positive card to have in your tarot spread. With this Queen of Pentacles, I can see that you are a very hardworking person. It's a mature, grounded energy. I can see that you are focusing on your pentacles, on your career, on your money making. You want to be very successful in life, and you are focusing on every single detail. Some of you are very good mothers as well. It's a feminine energy, and you are extremely protective towards your children. You are a very loving, caring, and nurturing soul. And you are a career oriented person. You are a very intelligent person, intellectual person, and you are focusing on your business, on making your pentacles, and how to provide financial security, stability, and financial freedom to your children, to your family, and to yourself. I can also see that some of you are getting married in a rich, wealthy family unexpectedly, okay? There is family inheritance involved. There is family business involved. Someone will propose you. Someone might propose you, okay? An unexpected proposal is coming up for some of you in a rich, wealthy family. Maybe you're dealing with any Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. See, we have this Ace of Wands. Some new beginnings are coming. Some new challenges are coming. You are getting married. Okay, you are getting married. Hierophant is a card of marriage and commitment. So you are getting married in this rich, wealthy family. So some new challenges are coming. Some new, fresh, positive beginnings are coming in your life. Okay, and you are. This is a new phase of your life. You are getting married to that rich, wealthy person unexpectedly. Maybe you're dealing with any Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or any Taurus. I can also see that an unfortunate event might occur, so be extra careful, extra vigilant, okay? This is not for, these are general readings, okay? It's not necessary that the tower moment will occur for all of you, but in some cases you have to be extra careful, extra vigilant, okay? And also do your investigation before you are getting married to anyone, okay? Before getting married, because it's a very important decision for anyone, okay? It's a very very important decision, and it will have long-term impact on your life. So always do your investigations before you take a decision of getting married to someone, okay? No matter how successful they are, no matter how positive the proposal looks like, but you have to do your investigations. You have to be extra careful, extra vigilant, okay? Let's pick one oracle message for you. Oracle message for Taurus. Oracle guidance for the zodiac sign of Taurus. Your oracle message is receptivity. Allow yourself to receive. This will increase your intuition, energy, and ability to give to others, okay? Allow yourself to receive from the universe. This will increase your intuition, okay? This is your oracle message from our Goddess Guidance Oracle deck, receptivity. I hope you like this reading. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you with my next reading. Till then, take care. Bye.